Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to make low poly models in Blender. Blender is free software that you can use to make 3D models for 3D printing, 3D models for games, and you can make movies in Blender as well. It's free Blender, that is, and this is great because if you don't know this, 3D modeling software is actually pretty expensive. A lot of 3D modeling software is $100 a month or thousands of dollars for the actual software. But Blender's free. The other thing is that if you've never used a 3D modeling program, this course is for you. This course is very easy to understand, and you'll at the end of this course you will have models that you have built from scratch. So if you don't know anything about 3D modeling, by the end of this you'll have build something. It's actually quite a bit of fun. This course is only about an hour long, and if you have an hour to spend, I highly recommend that you take this course because, again, after this hour, you will have 3D models that you have built. And the best part about low poly modeling is that you can work with low poly modeling, and at low poly modeling is easier than high poly modeling, so you'll be able to get as many models out as you can in the least amount of time. I hope to see you in the course.